What's poppin', guys? It's your boy C Live, and I'm back again with another vlog. If you've seen the title already, I think you already have an idea of what today's video is going to be about. I am going to show you guys how to flip, let's say about 500 bucks. Let's say up to 1,000. Right? If you got $1,000, I can show you how to flip that just by buying cars. Right? You just got to know which type of car to buy. The cars that I get, most of them has been in accidents. Some of them haven't. Some of them could have been in just a little fender bender, and those are the type of cars that I go for. The ones that's been in little fender benders, you want a car that's got a good running engine. You want a car that has very minimal body damage. You want a car with a nice interior, right? I got this car from the auction, not bad. You know, hang tight. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this done. I should have mentioned it's super cold today. I think the highs is gonna be in maybe the 50s somewhere. So that's why I'm all super bundled up and layered up. I should mention that this auction yard that I'm going to, this is the Insurance Auto Auction Yard. So you can actually go on their website and get to view all of these cars on their website. But I normally like to go to the actual lot and get to put my eyes on these cars myself and actually give a nice physical inspection to make sure it's worth investing into. Most of the times, you can kind of get a good idea if it's going to be a good buy if you're just looking online at these cars, but is not as good as actually going to see the car before you buy it. I just like doing that because you actually come across a lot of other really nice cars that you wouldn't have noticed online. So just by being in the yard, it exposes you to a lot of other good cars, and you actually get to assess the damage properly. You can do all of this online. You don't even have to see the car before you purchase it. You can actually just go online, look at the pictures of the car, and just purchase it that way. But I'm gonna take you guys to the actual auction lot. They don't allow cameras in there, or I don't believe they allow any filming at that. So I'll be the real MVP for the day. Give this video a like and subscribe. Definitely please subscribe, because I'm gonna be bringing you a lot more content like this and showing you guys ways to make money if you don't have a job, or just make some money on the side, period. We're almost there right now. Just got to keep going up this street. Got this big old semi in front of me. Just hope I don't crash into it, and we'll be right back. There, and that's see, it says it right there, Insurance Auto Auction. So let's get in here and see. I think you all know my favorite part about driving this car for now is this air ride system. We're gonna go ahead and air it down before I leave. Listen for it. There we go. Number's gonna go all the way down to 0. All right, let's go ahead and get out of here. My key is messed up, guys. Look at this. So this is what I have to do to start the car every time. This part of the key is broken, so I have to put that in first. Okay, put that in first, and then I gotta grab the other part, which is this one. And this has some type of sensor in it, and it won't start without this. So I have to put that in there and then twist. Struggle. She's all aired out. Man. All right, let's go ahead and get it. Sign right here. Oh no, this is not a sign. This is the Toyota. Put it in the comment section below. What is that? Nice car. Here in the yard right now. I just passed the security point, but they're all around here. So I'm gonna see how much footage I can get you. But check out this CLK. Wow, it's a CLK 55 AMG. Oh man, y'all remember I had the CLK 430. Let's get in here and see. Ooh, it's got the nice seats too. Where are the keys? I wonder if this thing will start. If you want your money real fast, these Camrys, they sell really quick. There goes another one right here, but it's been hit pretty, not too bad in the front. I mean, it's not so bad. Let's see if it starts. Ooh, look at that. Starts right up. Okay. We know the radio works too. Sweet. Nice black interior. Yeah, see, this right here would be a really good buy. Oh my God. Okay. Just found one of the cars that I'm actually looking at is this right here. I believe it's a 2010 Infiniti G37. Black interior. Should be a nice flip. The body looks in pretty good condition. It was hit in the rear, so let's see what that looks like. Okay. Close. Let's see if it starts. Oh. Alright, so it's got the fob, but no juice. Now, I don't know, because I just opened the trunk and noticed it was hit pretty bad. Look at that. So I gotta see. I'm pretty sure my guy can fix that, but I gotta make sure he can, you know? It's got all the rubber mats in the trunk. Not bad. I don't see the tail lights. It's the tail lights, guys. Sometimes you get lucky like this and find parts in the car. Guys, I'm sorry I haven't been able to get that much footage in here because there's a lot of people out here today, and yeah, they don't like when you record in here, so I have to be on a hush hush. But I just saw another nice Infiniti G25X. That's another good flip. Pretty nice Jeep right here. 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Love the color on it. Nice Jeep. Smells. Oh, I wish I could describe this scent to y'all. It smells like this thing has been underwater or something. Let's see if it starts. Nope. It's got some pretty cool fixtures in it. USB. But yeah, nice Jeep. No lie, guys, this is probably one of my favorite cars in the lot right now. This is the CLK 55 AMG version of Mercedes-Benz's CLK. This car is a beast. Here goes a nice Scion right here. Oh no, this is a Toyota. Ooh, look at those headlights. Drop in the comment section below if you know what type of Toyota this is, like the model. I know there's a Scion FRS, or the Subaru. Somebody just tell me what car that is. That was nice. All right, guys, so we're heading over to the second lot right now. We just checked out the first one. The second one is gonna be a lot better because there's a lot less security over there, and I'd be able to show you guys a lot more of the cars. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this Charger that I just found. And look what else I found. Like some nice Gucci frames. Ooh. But it has a lens in it, so I'm probably gonna pop those things out and put some clear ones in before I rock them. What's up, guys? We are here at the second lot. I can tell you already there's a lot of cars over here. We're gonna start off with this thing right here. Who can tell me what that is? Drop it in the comment section below. It's real loud out here because there's a freeway over there. Wow. Wow. This thing is... wow. Okay. Let's go ahead and keep looking. Got a nice Cadillac right here. It's hit pretty bad in the front. What is this? Cadillac CTS. It's got that badge on it. I don't know what that means, but probably means it has a lot of power. Feel me? It's the Cadillac. Let's get in here and see. Oh, if it starts. This interior in the Cadillac is not too bad. Let's go ahead and see if it starts. Ooh, it does. Nice. Let's see what those pipes sounds like. Alright, that was a cold start. Doesn't sound too bad. Sounds supercharged. Here's one of the cars I was looking at. This is a 2017 Nissan Sentra. It's got literally no body damage. I mean, it's been inspected before. You could tell they've got marks all over, just showing where all the scratches are. So it's got scratches all over. That's something I can deal with. No body damage. You know, the engine is real good. No problem there. That's the type of cars I come here for. And let me give you guys a good example of what I mean. The interior is really nice. Okay. It's 2017 and it starts right up. Look at that. Starts right up. It's got these lights on the side here for when cars are passing by. This right here lights up to let you know there's a car beside you, which is really cool. You know, the engine is real strong. I like to do that just to make sure that, you know, everything is good. So hopefully I win the bid on this car. We'll see. We got a boat right here. It looks like a 6-seater. It's a 1997, I could tell you that. But there ain't nothing in it. They took the seats out and everything. Comes with the trailer too. We got a whole semi right here. I don't even know what this is, but it says Pro Start. Let's go ahead and see if we can even figure out how to start this thing. I've never really, well, I've been in semis, but I haven't had an interest in them, I should say. You got a whole bed back here. Okay. Got some storage, some more storage. This looks like more storage right here, but that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get this thing started. I don't know if I could figure this part out. It's got the key in there. It's got a clutch. I don't know how many. Okay. That feels like neutral right there. Oh, come on, baby. Alright, what the? I don't know what that means. So we might have to leave this bad boy alone. So guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I hope I was actually able to inspire someone out there today. It's honestly a passion of mine, I should say, because I like cars. I don't just try to look for the money in it. I actually just enjoy working on them. See, most of the time I buy cars that I have a particular interest in, so that way you know, it's cars that I've never drove before, or like cars that I've always wanted to drive. Like I just see them over there, and sometimes I just buy them just to see what type of car that is. Because by doing this, you get to play with a lot of different type of cars. I mean, if you're a car guy, I think you already know what I mean. I actually bought this bike here after selling a Chrysler 300 of mine. Bought this Gixxer, and I actually have to get some work done on that, which I'm about to be doing right now. Maybe I'll make a video about it and put in a different video, but for this episode, it was really just to share with you guys a source of making some money on the side, if you want to say. So these cars that you just saw, they're all gonna get auctioned. The prices can vary, and they vary. The cheapest car that I bought was $500. What? And I'm not gonna tell you guys which car that was, but I still have the car, and it was not $500. Like after taxes and titles and fees and all this other stuff that is associated with buying a car, it came out to more than 500, but that was the actual bid amount, $500. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. So yeah, you can buy cars as cheap as $500 to as expensive as they get. Going into business, you want to go into it as with the mindset as buy low, sell high. You know, the lower you can get it and the lower you can keep your costs down, the better your profit margins are when you go to sell it. So just keep that in mind. Buy low, sell high. Also remember just to find cars that aren't too heavily damaged, and if it is, you know, you want to look around and inspect the cars actually, because that's what I was doing when I wasn't having the camera rolling. I was, you know, looking underneath the car, going inside the car, smelling what the inside smells like. Like that Jeep, for example, it looks really good, but you can tell it's been in water, like it's a flood vehicle. So right off the back, you already know you're gonna have a lot of electrical components to deal with, which can be expensive and time consuming, but it'll still be a good flip for whoever buys it. It's gonna be a good price probably. So just look out for things like that. And for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy C Live, and I'm out. Not without trying one more time. Alright, it's not trying to start. Oh.